have no idea.
Just started.
Alright, eyes up here.
You can't see it.
This is actually proportions. It's called renaming fractions by multiplying by 1. Just ignore that. You're basically learning proportions. And what that means is, let's say I had a slice of pizza, or not a slice, a whole pizza, and I broke that up into 8 slices, and I ate half of it. What would it be? Scream it.
4/8. 1/2.
4/8, which equals
1/2.
1/2. Okay, let's say I had another pizza, and instead of cutting it into 8 slices, I only cut it into 4. What would it be if I ate half?
1/2.
2/4, which is
1/2.
1/2. Very good. And then let's say I had another pizza skinny, okay, and I broke it into half, and we ate half. What would it be?
1/2.
Okay, so all times it's 1/2. We just decided to cut the pizza in different places, right? Okay. Now, here's what I want you to understand is, let's say I had half of a pizza. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait, come out. I had half of a pizza, okay? But let's say I had 20 kids. Okay. Now, we cut it into 20 slices this time, okay? Now, what I want you to see is for me, I'm going to do that in just a minute because we're going to make an equal proportion if I cut it into 20s instead of 2. What would I do to get from 2 to 20, Nicholas? Yes. Okay, so watch what I do. Times 10. That equaled my 20, right? Guess what else you can do? What I do to the bottom number, I'm also going to do to the top. 1 times 10 is 10. So if I cut it into 20 slices and gave 10 of it away, we've eaten half of the pizza, right? Or if I cut it into 2 slices and we ate one of them, we'd be having 1, right? So they're both equal, all right? Now, let's try this one.
20 slices of half a pizza.
1/2, and this time they're wanting us to cut it up into 6 slices. Jaden, what do I do?
Times it by 3.
Times it by 3, because I want to go from 2 to 6, and the only way to do that is multiplying it by 3. What I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. 1 times 3 is 3. So 1/2 or 3/6 is the same picture, yes.
We can also divide the 2 into the 6.
Yes, if we had a 6 here and we wanted it to go to a 2, you would divide by 3. Very good. Yep. Okay. Now, they may say something like this. Listen to this. It tells me to write 1/2, and 1/3 as fractions with denominators of 6. So right now I have a denominator of 2 and a 3, but they're wanting me to have a denominator of 6 on both of those. Okay? Then they say this. Then add the renamed fractions. Okay, let's take a half, and how am I going to make it with a 6 on the bottom? Nicholas? Times 3, which would equal 6. 1 times 3, which would equal 3. So 1/2 is the same thing as 3/6, right? Does everybody understand what we did? All right, let's take 1/3, and we're wanting to make it with 6. Okay, I'm going to put it down here in a minute. From 3 to 6, what did I do, Lena? To make 3 into a 6, what can I multiply it by? Very good. Times 2, times 2. So I would get 2 6. So I'm going to put that down here. Then they told me once I get my denominator as 6, they want me to add. Okay? So what do I add when I'm adding fractions? The, what's it called?
Top.
Which is called numerator. Very good. So, Nicholas, 3 plus 2 is 5. What do I do with these 6s? You do not add them. You keep it the same. 5 6. Everybody got it?
Yep.
That is lesson 42.